Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I was performing yesterday regular maintenance on my friend's 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and he brought up something not good and I will say dangerous about driving Toyotas to my attention. He had that envelope from Toyota and he showed me there is a recall on his 2019 Tacoma on the low pressure fuel pump. So I went ahead and looked it up, and I will show you this screenshot in this video. It's basically safety recall 20TA02, and what it says here: vehicle may stall during driving at higher speed. And then that's when I paused and I was like, oh my god, this is not really good, because if you are doing 80 on the highway and your engine will completely shut down, because this is related to the engines or vehicles low pressure fuel pump, which may stop operating. They say if this were to occur, warning lights and messages will be displayed and the engine may run rough. This may result in a vehicle stall. So I think this is a serious problem, and I just wanted everybody to know about it. Normally, if your DMV information is updated, you already know about it because you got it in the mail. But somebody might transfer the cars, their info might be not correct, maybe the USPS didn't give you the letter, so you are not knowing on it. And you might have, if you scroll through this whole document, it has how many? 7 pages. That will tell you exactly what years and what vehicles are involved. But it's not just what he has, Tacoma. There are 4Runners, Avalons, Camry, Corollas. Basically, there's very many vehicles involved in it. And I just want to share this with you in the case you wasn't contacted through the mail and you are not aware of it. If you might have a fairly new Toyota vehicle, it might be also your problem. So if you log on the toyota.com, you will go to the owners up there on the top, and basically on these pages you can find the recalls right here. You click that and all you have to bring, they say even your license plate will work, or the best is probably always use the VIN number. You submit it and they will tell you if you are involved in this recall. I checked this whole document. It seems to be they started already fixing some of these vehicles. They are replacing those fuel pumps, and pretty soon they should be also taking care of your vehicle if you have such one. I just want to bring it up to your attention. As I said, sometimes the mail might fail, you might be involved with it and not even know about it. Most importantly, when you are driving, just be prepared. If you will lose the out of nowhere engine function, if it will stall, if it will not run, be mentally prepared for that situation, and hopefully you will be able to safely pull over. So that was just a little technical thing about our Toyotas, to be aware, share the information, and be all safe driving these other than that wonderful cars, trucks, SUVs and vans. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend, my friend.